Today we are making banana pancake. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, mashed. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons sugar. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 large egg. 1 tablespoon butter, melted. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. 2. In a separate bowl whisk together mashed bananas, egg, and melted butter. 3. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until combined. 4. Heat a nonstick pan or griddle over medium heat. Grease with butter or oil. The batter should still be slightly lumpy. 5. Drop the batter by 1/4 cupfuls onto the pan. 6. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Until bubbles appear on the surface and edges start to dry. 7. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, until golden brown. 8. Serve warm with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, honey, or fresh fruit. Enjoy your delicious banana pancakes.